Well, hello, I'm the Rifter, and welcome to another exciting tutorial. For those of you who use Keap.com, formerly known as InfusionSoft, even though it's still got InfusionSoft.com in the URL at the top, we're going to run with it. It's Keap. So, oh, you can't see my cursor. That's okay. So I'm going to show you today how to track emails that have been opened by clients that you've sent them to. So I'm going to show you how to track and target people to call or to send follow-up emails to because they're reading your emails. Now, if you have a marketing department that's just like, no, can't be done, well, it is if the campaigns are structured properly. If they're not, there is a way to track these things on the user side. You don't have to have admin access. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find your recent activity report. I'm fairly certain that all Keap accounts, no matter what business you are, I'm fairly certain that all of them have a recent activity report. And it basically shows you who's opening email. Now, having said that, it won't let you sort it. So if you've got different territories set up or different owners, it won't let you track between owners. You have to click on each individual record to figure out who it belongs to or who's supposed to be doing the follow-up. So the first step is you click on these three dots here in the upper right-hand corner and you add widget. Next thing, you are going to go to your recent activity report. So it's the second one down, recent activity. You're going to add that to your dashboard. It's going to be in the top left now. So your next step is going to be click on your burger up here and then go to CRM settings. Next, you are going to click tags. And then you are going to add a tag. Now, I've already got my tag in place, but we'll call it open emails. And then you want to put it under a category that's easy to narrow down. So we'll just call it email activities. So what this does is your category is going to be able to house a lot of tags. So you've got open emails under the email activities category. Now I've already created this, so I'm not going to create it again. But just click add tag and then go back to your dashboard. So now that you have your tag created and you're back on your dashboard, you need to scroll down to the bottom of your recent activity report. And you're going to click View All Activities for today. So this is going to bring up everybody who's opened an email for today. You're going to have a few options. If you click Edit Criteria, you can just narrow in on people who have opened an email or clicked a link. Clicking a link is your most valuable thing because it's going to let you know who's actually already opened an email and clicked on something. So you might want to make a separate tag for clicked. But what we're going to do is opened. And then you have your date range. This is probably one of the most important parts. You have to decide on what date range you're going to search. You can do 30 days, 7 days, or today. Now, at the end of the day, you need to clear these tags out. Now, you can run this several times a day and apply these tags, but if you don't remove these tags, it will leave in all the leftover stuff for the people that you already contacted. So I'll demonstrate. We'll just do today opened an email, and we'll click OK. So this is everybody today that's opened an email. You want to click on this top checkbox here, and it will highlight everything. That might make it a little easier. Click on that top checkbox, and it will highlight everything. Next step is to click Actions, Apply and Remove Tag. And you just click somewhere there, and mine's called Email Activities, so I'll just press E a few times. And there is Email Activities opened. So I'm going to save that, process action. And you don't really have to wait around for it to process, but you can. It'll be a black bar with a yellow line that comes across the screen here. And it's just showing you that you are processing that action. And it just gives you an idea of how long it takes, which it's already done. It was so few people that didn't even matter. So once you do that, you can click your burger, go to Contacts, and you can search for Email Activities opened. And then let's say that you want to go with Office State Arizona. You can just press enter, or you can go down to the bottom and click search. So 88 people. Of course, when I ran this tag before, I had included yesterday too. So there's 88 people in Arizona that have opened an email. So let's say you want to switch states. Go back to address. We'll try Alaska. See if there's anybody not freezing cold in Alaska. All right, there's 4 people that have opened emails in Alaska. So this is a way to target people in certain states that are opening your emails, and if you don't have administrative access. And I know you might get results like if you do 30 days that say 10,000 emails were opened, and that might be true. 10,000 emails may have been opened. Now the thing is, that report shows you individual emails that have been opened. So somebody may have opened 15 of your emails in the last month, and it might just be one record. So don't be surprised if your results are less than what your recent activity report says, because the recent activity report measures email opens versus a contact search, which measures records. But as long as you have this tag selected, email activities, you can associate it with a state, you can associate it with an owner, you can associate it with a assistant name if you want. Now every day you're going to have to search just for email activities opened, or whatever your tag was that you created. You're going to have to select all of them, actions, apply remove tag. Then you're going to have to remove and go down to your open tag. You'll click save and process action. I don't want to do that because I don't want to have to redo this again. But once you do that, it will completely wipe your slate clean. You can go back into your recent activities report, and then you can reapply that open email activities tag to a new day or a new time period. And again, it all queues off of time periods, so if you want multiple ones, you might consider doing email activities for the category and then the tag actually call it 30 days opened, or email activities 7 days opened, or email activities today. Now you can do just today and yesterday, but you have to just do the previous 7 days. Then you can go in there and select a range based on the date. But I'm not doing that right now because it takes a while. But yeah, that's it. Just make sure you clear those at the end of the day before you run your new search, or before you apply your new tags, and you'll be fine. You just have to wipe out the previous search. I hope really hope that this helped you guys. Keap gets a bad rap. I actually like Keap because I'm used to it now. I hated it when I first started, but there's like 18 different ways to do something and search for people. But again, I'm the Rifter. Throw me a like and a share, definitely a subscribe if this helped you, because people just think you can't track emails on the user side. Well, you can. Anyway, again, thank you for watching.